I have kept it in a way that we can use it without it being traced. That's what's giving them diarrhea. We don't have to go to government committees cap in hand seeking funding. And you have no idea how that bond them. You remember the speech in Parliament? What bond me is? Him leave out one thing. What bond me is I cannot control the agency.
Sir, you're a true leader. We gotta always follow your lead.
Yes, sir. I learn a whole heap from you.
And my daddy that.
Well, the lesson for today is those who would lead must first learn to follow. Not true, Bubbles?
Yes, sir.
And you did well. Our mission statement, we stand for one, we stand for all.
We are not bound by regular rules.
However, if we break regular rules, we must show just cause.
We should always remember that our allegiance is for those who can't stand for themselves.
And in so doing, we're going to ensure that all people who may not have been born equal, they're going to get equal opportunity.
Amen.
That's a cool.
Agents, alert. We have company. Hour 12. You're 6.
Does it look threatening?
Not immediately. I don't think anybody be stupid enough to discharge a weapon here, but you never know.
What you want to do, sir?
Peel off. 3, 9. You're 3.
Oh, a ambush?
You know, I heard the sound. I should have expected somebody like you would be here.
Are you send them because ambush me like me old criminal?
No, sir. As I thought you saw everything coming and going. But let me ask you a question. What you do here?
But kiss me kakaya now. Are you one up here? Me can't come up here again. How we are gonna do? Let out lion for me when me come up here? Eh? What? No chat to your boss. Me want to know if I'm up here in a free space. You want up here?
You think it's possible we can get back to our meeting? Maybe you want to take notes.
When me a go take, maybe you can chat again. Anyway, I don't know what I do. I see say everything work out. Like me tell you it would. All you have to do, you know, is to settle on yourself. Because things always work out. You see? Like how it work out for you. and it work out for you, Bubbles. Even though you'd have to hijack him out of his seat.
So you're the one who orchestrated that.
Orchestra? That's un piano. Well, you know, say, even though things work out for you, you still have more to work out.